Hi, my name is Elizabeth Kellogg. I'm an associate member in the structural biology department at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, and I'm a co-organizer for the Keystone meeting happening in Keystone, Colorado in March 2025. And this meeting is going to be focused on machine learning applied to macromolecular structure and function. This meeting is special because we are jointly organizing the machine learning meeting with another meeting that's called Imaging Across Scales. And both of these meetings are going to have different areas of focus. The machine learning applied to macromolecular structure and function will be focused on using machine learning in different aspects in protein design, as well as in understanding the human proteome, for example, and how interactions across the human proteome can relate to protein-protein interactions, for example. So we wanted to really structure this meeting so that experts from both of these areas would, leading experts from both of these areas would have the ability to have some crosstalk, as well as establish potentially new collaborations and to expand their networks in new areas. Well, personally, I am always a huge fan of protein design, and I think we have an excellent program looking at new methods in protein design and how those methods can be applied to generate new systems that don't exist in nature. We also have people from industry who have applied protein design in their work. And we also have people who are interested in expanding upon the success of AlphaFold in order to generate more informative predictions by harnessing machine learning with addition of experimental data. So it really is a broad program. And I think there is really something in it for everyone who's interested in machine learning, as well as in understanding macromolecular structure and function. What I think is so special about the Keystone meetings and the Keystone format is that it allows a smaller and more close-knit community to exchange ideas and in a highly collaborative way. I think that the way that we have structured it, we've invited the best people from, leading the charge in terms of cryo-ET and cryo-EM, as well as in machine learning development. And there is no meeting that really combines the two, except for this joint meeting, which allows experts from both of these fields to come together and to have a very tight-knit experience with a small audience. And so I think this is going to be a phenomenal opportunity for people to actually forge new connections in new areas that they wouldn't normally have exposure to. So the science is rapidly developing in both of these areas, and we aim to capture all of the bleeding edge research in this area. A lot of my colleagues have expressed interest, and so it's really important to get all of your abstracts in on time, as well as if you are wanting to be considered for a short talk. And so for the short talks, the deadline is December 19th. And for posters, the deadline is February 27th in 2025. Please keep in mind these deadlines because we want a diverse pool of people to attend our meeting. And we also would like to highlight the best and latest work that's being done in this area. We've put a lot of thought into this program, and I think it's an outstanding program. I would encourage everyone to attend. We've put careful thought into including industry and speakers from industry. Now more than ever, machine learning and its applications are relevant both to academia and academic research, as well as to industry and applied projects. So if you're considering using machine learning in your own science, come. If you're developing new machine learning methods, definitely come. If you would like to learn about machine learning and you're a cryo-electron microscopist, you should also come. I think that trainees in particular would benefit from the exposure to all of the rapid advances in both of these fields. I encourage trainees to come all the way from graduate students and postdocs. I think faculty who are interested in expanding their research in these directions should come. And I think that anyone in industry who is interested in learning more about what's being done in this rapidly evolving area should come. So this is going to appeal to a broad audience. I think you should carefully consider it, and I hope to see you at Keystone, Colorado in 2025.